Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 hammer drill. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Vever 20V Rotary Hammer Drill. Specifications. Brand name, Vever. Model number, DS179. Motor type, brushless. Usage, renovation team. Power source, battery. Rated voltage, 20V. Max. Drilling diameter, 26 mm. Hammer type, rotary hammer. Speed, 900 RPM. Weight, 4.5 kilograms. Item number 4 is DeWalt Brushless Rotary Hammer. Specifications. Brand name, DeWalt. Model number, DCH133. Usage, renovation team. Power source, battery. Rated voltage, 18V. Hammer type, rotary hammer. No load speed, 0-1, 550 RPM. Shock frequency, 2.6 J. Hammering frequency, 0-5, 500 RPM. Weight, 3.3 kilograms. As the item number 3 we've selected, Bosch Brushless Rotary Hammer. Specifications. Brand name, Bosch. Model number, GBH180 Li. Motor type, brushless. Usage, renovation team. Power source, battery. Weight, 2.6 kilograms. Rated voltage, 18V. No load speed, 1800 RPM. Max. Drilling diameter, 30 mm. Hammer type, rotary hammer. Item number 2 is Cameli Rotary Hammer. Specifications. Brand name, Cameli. Motor type, brushless. Working mode, 4 modes. Concrete, 16 mm. Steel, 13 mm. Wood, 26 mm. Maximum output power, 2000 W. Speed, 0-3200 RPM. Weight, 2.57 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have DeWalt DCH172. Specifications. Brand name, DeWalt. Model number, DCH172. Power source, DC. No load speed, 0-1060 RPM. Hammer frequency, 0-4980 BPM. Best drilling range, 4 to 9.5 mm. Weight, 1.8 kilograms. Dimensions, 265 by 176 by 73 mm.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.